We want you to be able to offer the best candidate experience whilst recruiters can focus on their core activity, finding the right candidates. We are happy to introduce our partnership with Joboti, making smart recruitment chatbots available for you. More and more candidates prefer chat over a phone call or email. A virtual recruiter offers candidates an interactive communication channel that is available 24/7. A chatbot offers a 3 times higher conversion rate from website visitors to actual candidates. Candidates can apply via chat. The chatbot will automatically create a new profile in EasyCruit. If the chatbot can't answer, the question can automatically be sent to the recruiter to follow up in person. Contact your EasyCruit Customer Success Manager to learn more. Attract, select, hire, and onboard. Visma EasyCruit. Recruitment made easy.